Today, we're diving into some hot off the press leaks about Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. It looks like Google might be playing a bit of a pricing game with us this year. So let's break it down and see what's really going on. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Now let's get started. So let's talk about the leaked prices first. A Redditor recently posted what seems to be T-Mobile's listing for the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. According to this leak, the Pixel 9 Pro will start at $999.99, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will start at a hopping $1,199.99. At first glance, you might think, hey, that's not too bad. The Pixel 8 Pro also started at $999, so there's no price hike, right? Well, not exactly. This is where things get interesting. You see, the Pixel 8 Pro had a 6.7-inch screen, making it a big premium device. Now the Pixel 9 Pro XL is rumored to have a 6.8-inch display, which is slightly larger. The regular Pixel 9 Pro, on the other hand, is expected to feature a smaller 6.3-inch screen. So when you compare the Pixel 8 Pro with its true successor, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, there's actually a $200 price increase. This means the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is the real successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, will cost significantly more. Google seems to be banking on the idea that most people will compare the Pixel 9 Pro to the Pixel 8 Pro and not realize that the real comparison should be with the 9 Pro XL. Now, you might be wondering what you're getting for that extra $200. According to the leaked listing, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will start with 256 gigabytes of storage. Previous rumors suggested that the base model would have 128 gigabytes of storage, so this is a nice upgrade. In addition to more storage, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to come with a slightly larger screen, a new chipset, updated design, more RAM, and improved camera hardware. Google is likely hoping that these upgrades will justify the higher price. Another interesting point from the leak is the pricing strategy during the pre-order period. It looks like the 512 gigabytes Pixel 9 Pro XL will also cost $1,199 during this time, which means you could get a free storage upgrade if you pre-order. This strategy is something we've seen Samsung use in the past, and it seems Google is adopting it now. Early adopters will also get 12 free months of Google One AI Premium for Gemini Advanced. However, there won't be any physical freebies like earbuds or a smartwatch this time around. Pre-order gifts are often used to make smartphone purchases more appealing. But with Google shifting to digital perks instead of physical freebies, it will be interesting to see how users respond. Digital perks, like the Google One AI Premium subscription, might not have the same immediate appeal as a new pair of earbuds or a smartwatch. This could potentially affect the enthusiasm during the pre-order period. So what does all this mean for you as a potential buyer? Well, if you're looking for the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll need to consider the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which comes with a higher price tag but also several upgrades. On the other hand, if you're okay with a slightly smaller screen and fewer upgrades, the Pixel 9 Pro at $999.99 might still be a good option. Just be aware of what you're getting and what you're missing out on. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on Google's pricing strategy for the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL? Do you think the upgrades justify the higher price? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.